Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check a new frame from Nidici, the Falcon FPV AX215. In this video I'm going to go over its features, and also one of you lucky guys is going to win it. So in the end of this video I'm going to tell you how to participate in the giveaway. The Nidici AX215 frame is pretty minimalistic, so these are all the parts we get inside. We get in 4 arms, 2 bottom plates, side plates for the camera, a top plate, spacers and screws, and a high-quality Velcro battery strap with the Nidici logo. This frame supports 5-inch propellers, and one of the highlights of this frame is that it features very thick arms. The thickness of each arm is 6 mm, which is probably one of the thickest arms that I've seen on a racing or a freestyle quadcopter. In addition, the quality of the carbon looks very good, so I don't think these arms are going to break easily. In addition, the thickness of the bottom plates is 2 mm, and the thickness of the top plate is 2 mm as well. In terms of mounting options, unlike the Kun H5, which supports both 20x20 and 30.5x30.5 stacks, the only supported stacks on the AX215 are 30.5x30.5 stacks. So now I'm going to quickly assemble the frame and show you how it looks. So the AX215 frame is now assembled. Let's weigh it up. The weight is about 79.2 grams, which makes it a pretty light frame. In addition, the distance between the front two motors is about 13.5 centimeters. The distance between the back motors is not the same as the front ones, and it is about 15.5 centimeters. And the distance between the front motors and the back ones is about 15.7 centimeters. Just like the Nidici Kun H5, the AX215 supports micro FPV cameras, so other sizes are not supported, so you have to take it into consideration. The camera fits pretty well inside, and the tight is so fit you wouldn't even need to use screws. Of course I'm joking, but this is extremely tight. The frame itself provides a little bit of protection for the camera lens, but it's not 100% protected. Finally, mounting the motors is done by only using 3 screws, and there is some protection for the motors. According to the specifications, the support motors are 2207 and 2306 motors, but I can tell you that you will be able to use also 2407 motors without any problem. So overall, the AX215 looks like a pretty solid freestyle frame. It's also reasonably priced at $36, and from what I can tell you, the only downside is that it supports only 30.5mm stacks, so I think they should add in their next version a 20x20 mounting option, and it also can be nice to provide also a little bit more protection for the camera. In the next few weeks I'm going to feature this frame in the build video, so stay tuned. Now as for the giveaway, first of all I would like to thank Nidici for sponsoring this giveaway, and the winner is going to get this frame, which is going to be shipped directly from Nidici. In order to participate, all you have to do is just make sure to be subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell, which is important, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Once this video will reach 600 views, I'm going to announce the winner. As always, I would like to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course if you would like to participate in the giveaway. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.